G'day everyone, it's Andrew Whitehouse here, and this week we're talking about early intervention. Now, of course, early intervention is a really important topic, and we do need a lot more science in this area, particularly in the area of which interventions are the most effective in promoting and supporting child development in which kids. Now, one of the questions we get asked a lot is, I've just had a child diagnosed as being on the spectrum. How much intervention is likely to be the most effective for my child? The quick answer to that is that science actually hasn't provided us a lot of answers in this area, but the study we've linked to this week was one study that is starting to push this forward. The study was a trial of 87 kids on the autism spectrum who were around 24 months of age, and they received intervention for about 12 months, or about a year, on one of two different types of intervention. But the really thing that I want us to focus on today is that half of the kids received 15 hours a week of intervention. The other half received about 25 hours a week of intervention. That's across the year-long period. Now, the key finding here is that actually the kids who received 24 hours of a week of intervention were no more improved on their child development outcomes than the kids receiving 15 hours a week. In fact, they improved about the same amount. So the key finding here is that actually, in this case, this study has shown that actually more intervention per week, so more intensive intervention per week, does not necessarily lead to better child outcomes in terms of language outcomes, in terms of cognitive development. And that's a really important finding. So really the takeaway finding here is that actually more doesn't necessarily mean better. And ultimately it comes down to what is going to be the most effective for a particular child and their family that surrounds them. We'll keep you updated with more information.